In this video, we'll review Teams usage and analytics reporting. Grab your coffee and let's get started. So Teams has a usage and analytics section to it. It allows you to track exactly what teams are being used, applications are being used, how much time you're spending in Teams, the calls you're making to people, calls you're receiving. So management can track everything you do. So let's open up the Teams Admin Center and go to Teams Reports. Scroll down to Analytics and Reports. Click the chevron and go to Usage Reports. Now let's select Teams usage and let's go back, 180 days and then click Run. Now, my tenant hasn't been that busy, so the reports won't be that full. But if you're a corporate user and you have many users and you've been running this tenant for several years, you're going to have a lot of data here. Now, note, depending on your license, you only retain data for a certain amount of time. So let's take a look at Teams user reports. So go back to Analytics, go to Teams user activity, 180 days, run report. And here you'll see activity by user, calls they've made, calls they've received, apps they've used, duration, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Lots of detail in this report. Depending on your license, some data is kept for 3 months. And in some cases, calls are only kept for 30 days. So keep that in mind. So let's take a look at user reports. Go back to Teams Admin Center, go to Users, Manage Users, and click on a user. And here you'll be able to see apps they've been using, their meetings and calls, devices that they use, usage. So click on meetings and calls and scroll down. Here you get lots of detail. You get, the call duration, the quality, quite a bit of detail here. So let's take a look at adoption score and usage. So adoption score is available under adoption score from the 365 Admin Center. Here you can see exactly what your adoption is based on benchmark that Microsoft has provided. I assume they use the number of licenses and activity as a benchmark. Here is the usage area. I use this section quite a bit to gain understanding around the applications that are in use. The busiest applications, where the most activity and processing load is coming from, and the number of users that are using applications within the tenant. It's a great reporting tool. So Office 365 provides some great usage analytics and reporting so organizations can get a sense of how the applications are being used and how productive employees are. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.